Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to beat Arena 11 in Clash Royale using one of the strongest cycle decks right now, the Bomb Tower Balloon Cycle deck. Let's get started. So, the deck overview. The deck runs Balloon, Miner, Ice Golem, Mosquito, Skeletons, Bomb Tower, Log, and Giant Snowball. The balloon is your main win condition, dealing a huge tower damage, while the miner chips towers and tanks for the balloon during the pushes. So how the deck works? Ice Golem is a cheap tank plus kiting tool, while the Musketeer is a long-range air defense. Skeletons is a fast cycle plus cheap distractions, while the bomb tower is your main defensive building to destroy the tanks and swarms. Log plus snowball equals a clear, swarms, and knockback of troop and help the balloon reconnect. So this is a fast cycle control deck. So keep rotating your cards. Defend with a bomb tower plus musketeer plus ice golem. Then immediately counter push with balloon plus miner. Use a log and snowball to remove swarms or reset the defenses. So your goal is simple. Forces out the air counters, cycle fast, and punish when they're out of rotation. And that's it. Just master the timing, stay patient on defense, and you'll climb out to Arena 11 fast. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.